How to send money on Remitly. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send money on the Remitly app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open the Remitly app. Once you're on the app, tap here to select which country you want to send the money. After you have selected the country, tap on Get Started. If you are new to Remitly, you will get special offers. I am getting a special rate on the first $2,999 of my transfer. Write here how much money you want to send. Here it will show how much they will receive. And here is how much fee it will cost to send the money. Then scroll down. Here you will get two delivery speeds, Express and Economy. If you send through Express, the person you are sending to will receive the money quickly, but this will be the exchange rate. If you send through Economy, it will take a bit longer to receive the money, but you will get a better exchange rate. Once you have decided to send the money through which delivery speed, tap on Continue. Here you will see the delivery method. Tap on through which delivery method you would like the money delivered. I am selecting bank deposit. Then select your recipient's bank. If the bank is not listed here, you can tap on Choose another bank. Then you have to enter the account number of your recipient's bank. After entering account number, tap on Continue. Write here the recipient's name and tap on Continue. Write here the recipient's phone number, or if you get the option to skip, you can skip it. Select here the reason for sending money. Then tap on Continue. Here you have to choose which method you want to send money by, through a bank account or through a debit or credit card. I am selecting Pay with Card. Here you have to select which card you want to pay with, debit or credit. Then fill in your card details and after that tap on Next. So this is how you can send money on Remitly.